Equivalent fractions. Here's how you solve something like this, right? We've got a blank spot up here. Now really we can call that x, okay? And we've got x over 24 equals 5 over 8. Now one nice thing here, now if we need to, we could always cross multiply and solve, but they're giving us nice fractions here that are, these numbers are always going to be multiples of these numbers. That's how they're doing it. If that doesn't work, you can cross multiply, but check it out. Can we get from 8 to 24 via multiplication? We can, and it's just 8 times 3. So we're multiplying by 3 to get to 24. Well, if we're multiplying the top by a certain number to get here, we have to, the bottom by a certain number, we have to multiply the top by that same number, because we can, if these are equivalent, it has to be the same path for both top and bottom. Therefore, to multiply that 5 by 3, it would take us to 15. And now just to show you, if you wanted to cross multiply, this is how you would use cross multiplication. We cross multiply becomes 8 times x equals 5 times 24, which is 120. Right? And then we want to isolate x, so we divide both sides by 8, opposite of multiplying, and we get x equals, same thing, 15. 15, and done.